एक कहानी सुनाऊं? मेरा एक दोस्त हुआ करता था, बहुत बढ़िया काम कर रहा था. He used to fulfill all his responsibilities towards his family, friends, his job, everything perfect. He would smile throughout the day, and yet रात आते आते वो सोच में पड़ जाता था. He would often think, why am I sad? Why do I feel empty? Why do I feel numb? This was not just overthinking. This is exactly how depression looks like. It need not be sad and crying spells. It can hide in plain sight. आज हम डिप्रेशन के बारे में समझेंगे विदाउट एनी स्टिग्मा, विदाउट एनी जजमेंट. लेट्स गो. डिप्रेशन इज नॉट जस्ट सैडनेस ऑफ मूड, इट्स अ मेडिकल इलनेस. सैडनेस तो एक दो दिन में चला जाता है, लेकिन डिप्रेशन में लो मूड, लो एनर्जी, लो कंसंट्रेशन और लॉस ऑफ इंटरेस्ट हफ्तों तक रहता है, और ये बिना ट्रीटमेंट के ठीक होना काफी मुश्किल है. डिप्रेशन इज वेरी कॉमन. It's one of the commonest mental health disorders found in the world. आप अकेले नहीं हो. Many people are suffering from depression in silence. These include students, young adults, older adults, teachers, even successful individuals. सबको irrespective of their age and profession, depression हो सकता है. Depression कोई एक single कारण की वजह से नहीं होता. It is a combination of multiple factors. So what are these factors? Here are a few of them. First, biological causes. Chemicals जैसे dopamine, serotonin, adrenaline, इनका imbalance होने की वजह से depression हो सकता है. Second, genetics. अगर family में किसी को depression हो तो risk increase हो जाती है. Third, stress और trauma. चाहे breakup हो, loss of a job हो, कोई long standing abuse हो, ये सारे causes depression cause कर सकते हैं. Fourth, lifestyle. Substance abuse, poor routine, poor sleep schedule, all these things can lead to depression. Medical causes like deficiency of vitamins, thyroid deficiency, and so on can lead to depression. Therefore, depression कोई ड्रामा नहीं है. It's a medical condition that can be treated. Depression का symptom सिर्फ sadness नहीं होता. Here is a long list of symptoms that you can watch out for. These include low interest, guilt, low energy, change in appetite. It can be an increase or decrease in appetite, change in psychomotor or physical activity, decreased concentration, suicidal ideation or self-harming thoughts. If any of these symptoms last beyond 2 weeks, it's time to seek help. Contact your nearest psychiatrist. Now let's break down a few myths related to depression. Myth 1. डिप्रेशन सिर्फ वीक लोगों को होता है. That's absolutely wrong. डिप्रेशन किसी को भी हो सकता है, चाहे वो कितना भी स्ट्रॉन्ग क्यों ना हो. फिजिकल एट्रीब्यूट्स डोंट प्ले अ रोल इन डिप्रेशन. मिथ नंबर 2. बस पॉजिटिव सोचते रहो, डिप्रेशन चला जाएगा. अगेन, दिस इज नॉट entirely true. Having positive thoughts definitely is supportive, but it's not a replacement for proper treatment. Third, ये attention seeking का ड्रामा है. डिप्रेशन जैसा कुछ नहीं होता. This is an absolute myth. Depression is a real medical illness and can affect anybody. In fact, most people hide it out of the fear of being judged. Myth number 4. Medicines addictive होती है. Again, absolutely untrue. Most antidepressants are not habit forming. And especially when you take them under the guidance of a psychiatrist, you don't need to worry about the side effects as well. You will be well looked after. The good news is depression is completely treatable. Here are a few treatment options that you can exercise to have best results. First, lifestyle changes. Some weaker form of depression can definitely be improved by lifestyle changes only. Follow a regular schedule, a good balanced diet, incorporate exercising and meditations into your life, and definitely your mood will improve. Second, therapy. A trained therapist will help you to navigate through all these negative emotions. This will help to uplift your mood and process your emotions better. And finally, medications. Proper medications prescribed by a psychiatrist can give us wonderful results. Combination therapy works best. Medicines help in the short term, while therapy can prevent further episodes of depression in life. The most important point is seeking emergency help. अगर self harm या suicide जैसा कोई thought mind में आ रहा है, please reach out to the nearest psychiatrist, hospital, or on the emergency helpline that I will list below. Asking for help is not a sign of weakness. Accepting the problem and seeking help is a sign of strength. अगर आपको ये वीडियो relatable लगा तो please do share it. We never know who wants or who needs to hear this. For more mental health tips, subscribe, like, and follow me even on Instagram. And be kind towards your mind.